Hi everyone, Monica here. Today I have a nice little video for you showing you how I organize my stamps. So these are numbered 1, 2, 3 till the end, right? And when I get a new stamp, I put it in one of these baggy things, which I'll show you what I do, how I make that. And then I put a cardstock in there and I stamp the back so I can look and see what's on there, or if it's missing, I know what goes in there. I just put them kind of in order when I started doing this. These are the spellbinders I have. They just happen to be first. So see, that one's not on the back. That one needs to be fixed. These are used ones because I want to save the new ones for cards, but they basically, I'll show you the new ones. So here's a stack of new ones, right? They come with the tearaway little sealy part. I want to keep the opening. So I just fold it in on itself. I get a stamp, like this one needs to get labeled and filed away. So I usually use Memento. This stamp came with one of the recent card kits from Spellbinders, and I didn't really use much of it, to be honest with you. I don't think I used one stamp in here. That little butterfly is cute. And then I kind of go near the bottom, like that's the bottom. I just hope I got enough covering, just enough to see what it is. See, that's plenty good, right? So then I put that in there backwards. I also always tape them with painter's tape up there, and then I flop that in there, and then I'll number them when I'm ready. So let me go through and do all the ones that need organizing. Okay, so now I go to numbering my stamps, and you might wonder, how in the world am I going to know which one is which? Well, I have a I have a Facebook photo gallery. So after I number everybody, I take pictures of them and then I upload them to my photo gallery in Facebook. All right, so this is my Facebook photo gallery of all my stamps, and this is how I know which stamp I have. So as you can see, I can kind of scroll through them, and if one jumps out at me, I can click on it. And let's say this one jumps out at me. I see number 77, and I just open up my drawer that has all of my stamps in it, and I know to go to 77. So that's how I keep track of them. And every so often I have to add new ones that I buy. I can't help myself. I keep buying new ones. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you. And I am trying to build my YouTube channel a little bit better. I had let it go for a little while, but I'm back and I'm trying to do a lot better. And I hope you subscribe because I will have good stuff for you. Thanks. Bye.